Hello to you, Metro Gym team. My name is Luthando, and I'm a member of the Oxford Street Gym here in East London. I'm also a software developer, and through my experiences with the gym, I realized that there could be some innovation that we could do here. Before I was a member at Metro Gym, I was at Virgin Active. I relocated to the CBD, then I had to change my gym. One thing I noticed about Virgin Active that is different to you guys is that they have a mobile app. So when I got to Metro Gym, I thought to myself, how could I innovate this business from a software developer's perspective? So it got me thinking, as a user, what kind of features would I value on an app that would make me more engaged with my gym? And after months of trying to figure it out, I came to a conclusion. So I realized that Metro Gym already has multiple branches, yet you don't have an app. You've built a very unique culture. Metro Gym needs a platform that reflects that identity. So we built a solution, a fully branded gym operating system for Metro Gym, custom to your colors, custom to your branches, and most importantly, custom to your future. On this application, you'll be able to track attendance, bookings, live crowd count, all from your phone. This isn't just another SaaS platform. It's your system, your identity, your network. So the app has been built. It's ready for showcasing. I want to talk about some of the features that are on here. I'm going to log in first. So, as you can see, as soon as you log in, you have your sleek, professional-looking dashboard with a welcome message. The first thing you'll notice is that there's a live gym crowd tracker. Now think about this. You're sitting at home, you're wondering whether or not to go to the gym. But then maybe you're someone who doesn't like to go to the gym when the gym is packed. So you'll just jump onto your app and then you'll see how many people are actually live in the gym at that very moment. If the gym is too packed for you, you'll just wait an hour or two and then go at a later stage. Or maybe you do like it when it's packed. Maybe you like the culture. Maybe you like being around people. Maybe your friends are there. So when you see a high crowd rate, you'll be like, yeah, it's time for me to go to the gym. Some people are more social than others. So we also have a ranking system. So each time you go to the gym and you check in, the app counts your visits. So the more visits and the more time you spend at the gym, the higher up you go on the ranking. This will encourage the competitive nature of sportsmen and women to come and compete amongst one another for different badges. We also have an achievements board, depending on how many times you come per month, how many visits you have, personal records. We have that section here. So each time you bench a weight higher than your class, you can just punch it in there so you can keep up to date with how you're doing and what your fitness resume looks like. You can also book classes. Instead of having to go, because I go to the gym here in Oxford Street, right? So if I want to book a class or I want to book a session with a trainer, I have to go and literally write my name down on a piece of paper. That's cool, but what if I want to book from home? Another exciting feature that we added on the app is a group chat. So another exciting feature is the group chat. So each branch will have their own group chat and people can come on board, share exercise tips or whatever they want to talk about. The admin board will be able to moderate these chats and delete whatever messages are offensive or out of line. So next, we're going to take a look at the admin dashboard to look at those features and see how the analytics and statistics can help you better manage your gym. And we have the admin panel. On this panel, you'll be able to see the busiest location. You'll be able to see the total live visitors across all locations. You'll be able to see new members that downloaded the app over the past week. You'll be able to see the total numbers of registered users that are using the app. There's also a live capacity graph for each and every gym, tracked live every day, every moment. So we also have the class bookings section. So each and every time a user books a class or books a trainer, we'll be able to see it from the admin board. That's being able to manage your ins and outs and your coordination with your customers much more better on a digital platform. How I do it currently now, it's written on paper here in Oxford, so I know that there's something to improve there. Another interesting feature is the chat moderation. This is where the admin will be able to come in and moderate the chats to remove any comments that might be offensive. Last but not least, the gym management section. This is where we give the power to you. So if there's a new location that you're opening up or a location you're closing down, you'll be able to come on here and change those locations, and you'll be able to also make announcements to your gym patrons. You'll be able to, last but not least, the gym management section. This is where you'll be able to add and remove gyms. Say you change a location or you open a new location, you won't be needing developers to assist you with that. It's all manual on the app. You'll be able to do your promotions from here. If there's anything going on in the gym that you want to share with your patrons, you'll come to the admin side and then you'll be able to share it right from the dashboard. So that's all, folks. Are you ready to give your gym a mobile app your users will brag about? Then let's schedule a 15-minute demo today. My details are on the page. Thank you for your time.